In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search by zip code on Zillow desktop. If you're trying to focus your home search on a specific neighborhood or school area, using the zip code is one of the quickest and most precise ways to do it. I'll walk you through the process on a desktop browser and share a few tips so your results are accurate and easy to compare. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Zillow.com. Give the home page a moment to load so the search bar is fully ready. This works best on a laptop or desktop because you'll have a larger map and more visible filter options all at once. Next, click inside the search bar at the top and type the 5-digit zip code for the area you want to explore. As you type, Zillow will usually suggest matching locations. Selecting the suggestion for your zip can help avoid typos and make sure you're pulling listings from the right place. If you're not sure of an exact zip, quickly confirm it with a map app or postal lookup before you continue, since one digit off can take you to an entirely different area. Now, press Enter. Zillow will take you to a results page centered on that zip code. You'll see a grid of property cards on one side and a map on the other. If you're seeing a mix of for sale and for rent, and you only want one, look near the top of the page for the category toggle and switch to the type you need. You can also choose how listings are sorted, by newest, price, or other options, so your results appear in a useful order. From here, refine your search with filters and the map tools. Click Filters to adjust price range, bedrooms and bathrooms, home type, and listing status. Narrowing these choices can dramatically reduce irrelevant results. If you're getting too few listings, clear or loosen a filter to broaden the search. On the map, use your mouse or trackpad to zoom in on streets you care about and pan around to inspect nearby blocks. If you move the map, hit Search this area so Zillow refreshes listings inside your current view. You can also toggle features like exact boundaries or draw a custom shape, which is helpful if the zip covers a larger area than you need. When you're done, you can reset filters to start fresh or save your refined setup for consistent results next time. That's all you need to search by zip code on Zillow desktop. Go to the site, enter the zip, press Enter, and fine-tune with filters and the map.